For the first time on record, rain has fallen on the peak of Greenland's ice cap instead of snow. Temperatures at the ice cap are normally well below freezing, so the rainfall acts as a stark sign of the world's climatic crisis. The 3,216 meter (10551 foot) peak saw the rainfall throughout the day on August 14. However, scientists were unable to measure the rainfall due to the precipitation being so unexpected. Scientists at the US National Science Foundation Summit Station had no gauge to measure the amount of the rain that fell that day due to having expected snow rather than rain to fall. The day of the rain took place during a hot spell in Greenland that lasted 3 days and saw temperatures reach 18 degrees higher than the average in some places. The temperature increase resultantly causing melting across the island, the melting taking up an area around 4 times the size of the UK. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change (IPCC) told The Guardian that the climate crisis was unequivocally caused by the human activities, with carbon emissions causing the planet to heat up, resulting in incidents such as melting ice and rising sea levels. It was reported in May by The Guardian that Greenland's ice sheet was on the brink of a major tipping point. This means that even if the global heating was somehow prevented, an accelerated melting would become inevitable anyway. Ted Scambos, a scientist at the National Snow and Ice Delta Center at the University of Colorado, told CNN, "What is going on is not simply a warm decade or a two in a wandering climate pattern. This is unprecedented. We are crossing thresholds not seen in millennia, and frankly, this is not going to change until we adjust what we are going to do to the air." In July, Greenland also had a large-scale melting episode in which enough ice melted in a single day to cover an area that size of Florida in 2 inches of water. 2021 was subsequently one of the just 4 years in the past century to have such seen extensive melting, with the other years being 1995, 2012 and 2019. Greenland's melting in both July and August were both caused by warm air that had been pushed up over the island and held there. According to scientists, these blocking events are not uncommon, but appear to be becoming more extreme. If all of Greenland's ice melted, the global sea level would rise by 6 meters, according to the National Snow and Ice Data Center. However, the melting would take centuries or millennia to occur. Since 1994, the ice that has melted from the Greenland has pushed sea levels up and endangered the world's coastal cities. Sea levels have risen by 20 centimeters already, and the IPCC thinks that by the end of the century, it will have risen a further 28, 100 centimeters, perhaps even 200 centimeters. It has been estimated by scientists that Greenland's ice is melting faster than any time in the past 12,000 years. In 2019, Greenland's ice sheet even lost a record rate of 1 million tons of ice per minute.